Ever look at your old furniture and think, yep, that's trash? Maybe it's a wobbly chair, a scratched-up table, or a dresser that's seen better days. We've all been there, staring at that tired piece, wondering if it's even worth saving, or if it's destined for the curb. But, before you toss it out, let's hit pause for a second. Hold up, let's turn that trash into treasure. What if I told you that with a little creativity and a few simple tricks, you could transform that junk into a show-stopping piece that everyone will ask about? Upcycling isn't just about saving money, it's about making something uniquely yours and giving new life to what others might overlook. Old furniture isn't just junk, it's your secret weapon for stunning home decor. Imagine walking into a room and seeing a piece that's not only beautiful, but also has a story. That's the magic of upcycling. You're not just decorating, you're creating conversation starters, memories, and a home that truly reflects your personality. Today, I'm spilling 5 pro-level tricks to upcycle any piece, no fancy tools or skills required. Whether you're a total beginner or a seasoned DIYer, these tips will help you see old furniture in a whole new light. Ready to roll up your sleeves and get inspired? Let's dive in. Trick 1. Change the purpose, not just the look. This is the ultimate upcycler's mindset. Don't just slap on a coat of paint and call it a day. Think outside the box. That old bookshelf? It could become a chic bar cart, a battered nightstand. Try turning it into a pet bed or a plant stand. The possibilities are endless when you let your imagination lead the way. Got an old dresser? Boom, TV stand. Remove a few drawers, add some shelves, and suddenly you've got a custom media console that fits your space perfectly. Or maybe you need extra storage in your entryway. Dressers make amazing shoe organizers or bench seating with a little cushion on top. Wobbly coffee table, instant ottoman. Don't just repaint, reimagine. Add some padding and fabric, and you've got a comfy spot to rest your feet, or extra seating for guests. The key is to see beyond the furniture's original purpose and ask, what else could this be? Trick 2. Layer your finishes. This is where you take your piece from meh to wow. Don't settle for a single coat of paint. Try layering different colors, using techniques like dry brushing, distressing, or even stenciling to add depth and character. You can create a vintage, farmhouse, or modern look just by playing with finishes. One coat of paint is like wearing socks to a party. Boring. Layering adds personality and makes your piece look high-end, not homemade. Try a base coat in a bold color, then lightly sand and add a wash of white or gray for a weathered effect. Or use metallic accents for a touch of glam. Add texture, highlights, and a protective top coat for that high-end boutique vibe. Don't forget to seal your work with a clear wax or polyurethane to protect it from scratches and spills. This not only makes your piece last longer, but also gives it that professional finish everyone loves. Trick 3. Upgrade your hardware. This is the fastest way to make old furniture look brand new. Swapping out handles, knobs, and pulls can completely change the vibe of a piece. It's like giving your furniture a mini makeover with zero mess. Handles and knobs are basically jewelry for furniture. Don't be afraid to mix and match styles. Try vintage glass knobs, sleek, modern pulls, or even DIY your own with leather straps or rope for a rustic touch. Swap out those crusty old pulls for some shiny brass, matte black, or even leather. Instant luxury. You'll be amazed at how a small change can make a huge impact. And the best part? Hardware upgrades are usually super affordable and easy to install. Trick 4. Add architectural details. If your furniture feels a little flat or boring, this is your secret weapon. Adding trim, molding, or even decorative appliques can take a plain piece and make it look custom-built. Flat furniture is out. Details are in. Even simple wood trim from the hardware store can make a world of difference. Try framing out drawer fronts, adding feet to a cabinet, or gluing on carved details for a touch of elegance. A little wood trim or molding turns bland into grand. It's a small investment of time and money, but the results are dramatic. Plus, you get to flex your creative muscles and make something truly one of a kind. Glue it, nail it, paint it as one. Bam! Custom-made look. Trick 5. Mix materials. Don't be afraid to combine different textures and elements for designer feel. Combine wood with metal, rattan, fabric, whatever you've got. Mixing materials adds interest and makes your piece stand out. Try adding a metal grate to a cabinet door, wrapping table legs in rope, or upholstering a wooden bench with a bold fabric. It's like peanut butter and jelly, but for your living room. The contrast between materials creates a high-end designer look that's totally unique to you. Don't be afraid to experiment. Sometimes the most unexpected combinations are the most stunning. And hey, don't rush, don't oversand, and remember, sometimes less is more. Take your time with each step, and don't be afraid to step back and reassess as you go. Upcycling is as much about the process as it is about the final result. Enjoy the journey. Upcycling saves money, the planet, and gives your home a story. Every piece you rescue from the landfill is a win for your wallet and the environment. Plus, you get the satisfaction of knowing you created something beautiful and sustainable. So next time you see old furniture, ask, what could this become? Let your creativity run wild. Sketch out ideas, browse inspiration online, or just start experimenting. The only limit is your imagination. Like, subscribe, and share your favorite trick in the comments. I'd love to hear about your upcycling adventures, your biggest wins, and even your DIY fails, because that's how we all learn and grow together. Keep creating, and keep turning the ordinary into extraordinary. Remember, every piece you upcycle is a step toward a more creative, sustainable, and personalized home. So grab those tools, get inspired, and let's make something amazing together.